Hi guys, and welcome to our next practical tutorial on database design and development. Today we are going to look at our final logical operator within our queries and conditions. Today we're going to look at the not logical operator, which is a condition that will exclude data from our queries. Okay, so this condition must not be true, in other words. Okay, so again, what we're going to do is we're going to look for the first name and surname of authors whose nationality is not British. Okay, so we want the first name and surname of all the authors who are not British. So any other nationality. So we'll go to create query design SQL. Again, we'll take out our semicolon. We'll go first name, first name, surname, from author, and we'll put in our where clause, where. Now, this logical operator is put at the beginning of the condition, so where not nationality equals British. Again, semicolon. Okay, so we run that. We'll get Eric Carroll, Kenneth Opel, Patricia Cornwall, and Larry Niven. Again, we can double check. So Eric Carroll is American, Kenneth Opel Canadian, Patricia Cornwall American, and Larry Niven American. So none of these authors in our return is British. Okay, so again, if we just look at our code, we are selecting the first name and surname, so being very specific about the information we want to see. Again, just as an example, let's add in another field we want to see. Let's say we want to see their website. Okay, so we can add in another field that we want to see. So website, we add a comma, and then the next entity attribute that we wanted to see. Again, if we run that, again, we can see further information in there if we like. Okay, to edit that again, we would just go back to our SQL view and we can take that back out. So it's as easy as that to add in further information. You may be wondering up until now, well, we just keep taking the first name and surname from the author table, so we're only using this one table all the time and not the book table. Shortly we'll start to look at extracting information across more than one table, so we'll look at that a wee bit later. Okay, but for now we're extracting specific information or specific fields or entity attributes, in this case first name and surname, from our author table where not nationality equals British. This means that where the nationality is not British for the author. Okay, so again, we can save this. We will call this names of non-British authors. There we have it. Okay, so again, this is our final logical operator, which is not. Okay, and it's always at the start or the beginning of the condition. Okay, I hope you've learned something for this video. Again, this is something that can exclude data from our results. So for particular things we do not want to see, in this case, any authors whose nationality are British. Okay, stay tuned for our next video.